Now, let's check out our Smart Power Up plays brought to you by Smart's Power All at 99 with 10 gig of data, only access to Facebook or TikTok plus unlimited calls and text to all. Load now. So in set number 1, Caitlin, we saw how it was a series of exchange of lead, pero nakita natin kung paano din lumabon talaga dito itong Assumption Antipolo several times that they were trying to take control of the game. Ganon din naman para sa Jaguars, pero still in the end, ang nanalo dito sa first set ay itong St. Paul College.
You really see how St. Paul College enhanced their teamwork on the court as they were really working together to execute these plays, especially in the second set, as they were able to take such a big lead early on. And syempre kudos naman sa captain nila si Andrea Caro, ang ating MVP of the match, who delivered on the attacking department.
So yung naging 8 straight points, naging malaking tulong yon para sa St. Paul College Jaguars to be in command of this one. Kaya naman, nahirapan na rin makahabol itong Assumption Antipolo. That strong start, also finishing it with a strong one. Kahit na nung bandang dulo, nung nagkaroon ng substitution, sinubukang humabol itong Assumption Antipolo. But when bumalik itong si Kapitana Andrea, bigla na lang ulit nila nakuha yung momentum na yon. Final scores 25-23, 25-15. St. Paul College winning in 2 straight sets.